Are you not sure how old your water heater is? Let's find out. Start by checking the serial number on the manufacturer's label. This is usually found on the side of your tank. Most brands include the manufacture date in the first few characters of the serial number, but each brand does it a little differently. For example, on this label, the first 4 digits are actually 0426, but this is 2004 and the 26th week of that year, which happens to be June. A.O. Smith water heaters also list the date in the first 4 digits, and then Bradford White uses letters and numbers, so A equals January, B equals February, and so on. And if you have a different brand of water heater, they probably also do it differently, so just looking up what that brand does to show the manufacturer date, you'll be able to find it. If you are still unsure, Routerman can always help you read it and make sure that you know the true age of your unit. It's also nice to remember, gas water heaters typically last 8 to 12 years, and electric or tankless heaters can last 15 to 20 with the proper maintenance. Knowing the age of your heater helps you plan ahead for repairs or replacements before problems hit. You can reach Routerman Plumbing at 843-402-7799, and remember that we're always here to help you with all of your water heater and plumbing needs.